Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A bullish open and close long white Mariposa on Friday. There was also a fourth bullish white soldier and a follow-on higher to the previous session's unusual key reversal up. Additionally, as I said last week, this recent action had been a trigger to a new, possibly large pattern. The market punched up through the second of two overhead congestion bands. Now, I had said earlier last week, and I quote, two overhead congestion bands, the first between 81.77 to 82.39 and the second between 83.50 to 84.24. In between them we have the late August high at 83.18, end of quote. Prices went as high as just over the 50% Fibonacci line in the October 2020 to March 2022 move at 85.56, where they closed. Above this 50% Fibonacci line, we have the April high at 86.65. But more importantly, we have a little higher up, the slowly declining a long moving average, currently 87.64. This action continues to bring to focus the action since June to date as a possible big W pattern. Now, the big W pattern is a derivation of the double bottom, but on a larger scale. Thus, a primary target X for this pattern would be in the 1990 area, and a secondary harder to reach target X1 would be in the 97.50 area. It will be interesting to see how this now will develop. So far today, a gapping higher open, though not as high as the April 2012 high, before turning back down, filling in the gap and slamming down through the 50% Fibonacci line and into the congestion between 83.50 to 84.24, where it is currently lodged. Today already looks like it might be a combined bearish opening black Mariposa as well as a possible day 2 and a 2-day pipe top. It'll be interesting to see where we finish up today. LME 3-month aluminium. A second bullish white soldier on Friday as well as a bullish opening long white Mariposa. Prices punched up and closed over the flatlining medium moving average, currently 23.40, the June 2018 high at 23.53, and finally just over the congestion at 24.41. The top was capped by congestion at 25.08. All this supports the idea of a recent late August to early November diamond bottom pattern, something I've been harping on about for a while now. So, I previously indicated potential upside targets for this diamond pattern. The issue of this is that it is on the edge of a series of 4 congestions that could effectively be seen as one big congestion. Thus we have congestions at 25.63 to 25.81, 26.08 to 26.22, and 26.50 to 26.75. Meanwhile, for the diamond pattern, a primary target X would be in the 25.60 area, with a secondary harder to reach target X1 in the 26.52 area. We now wait and see if this will become a reality. Now, so far today, well, no follow through higher as yet, and indeed prices have dipped down below the congestion at 24.41. This is beginning to look like a possible day 2 and a 2-day tweezer top right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.